Scary and Eli. So today we'll play Rubik's Cube, and let me show you some shapes that it is pretty funny of the shapes. Put that. Ta-da-da! Okay, the next shape.
Next shape. What is he gonna be? That's just a child.
Let's see.
Okay,
So this is the unusual playing of Rubik's Cube. So now let's play usual.
Let me see how can I play it.
So I am making the white color.
I want to make a blue color.
Okay, so you make a blue color. I want to make a white color because this is
Maybe
randomly.
I make a yellow color or something.
You want to make a yellow color, then that's all.
That's
Pretty hard.
It's so hard to play.
Oh, you can play this easy mode too.
Okay, I can play.
Almost there.
I will choose red.
I'm just almost there, really. So I just have one more, then I can have a color.
It's too impossible. I just forget how to play this.
It is not impossible. It is possible, but it needs time. And I'm done. So I haven't tried this before. 5 times 5.
5 by 5, but 4 by 4 maybe.
4 times 4. 5
by 5 is too impossible to play.
But
right now,
right now,
for kids, if I think big,
if your kids, if your children, for example, 2 to 7 ages, I suggest you can play this. For ages 8
by 3,
8 to 10, I suggest this. Then 11 to 13, maybe this. 14 to 18 or above.
Oh! This one has 10 by 10, you know.
10 by 10?
Yes.
That's impossible to play.
Yes. It need to be maybe 45 years to maybe 61 years old. Maybe. I don't know.
No. The elderly's brain may be not too good, but I think that the elderly can solve it. If their brain is very good. Still good. Okay, I'm almost done.
I'm almost done the blue one.
This.
Oh, you're too good at this.
I tried this. I solved this 3 times. All the colors are okay. So let's try red in this competition. No, yellow. Okay, yellow.
It's a bit impossible to play 5 by 5, you know.
Sometimes, of course.
5 by 5
because it is so hard.
But 10 by 10 is impossible than 5 by 5.
More impossible.
It's super impossible.
And sometimes
maybe you need 2 5 by 5 stick together, then you can make a 10 by 10 or something.
We're solving this cube and it is so hard.
Hard, I know.
Hard.
Maybe you need 4 cubes, like bigger. Not 5. So.
I'm solving the yellow one.
You are ready, but I don't think you can make it because it's so impossible.
Yes, I can make it.
I don't know if I can make the cube or something.
Think about you can make it. Then you can make it.
Yes, I can make it.
Yes, that's the spirit of playing Rubik's Cube.
Don't say this funny.
Okay, so I just have 2 more. 2 left.
But I just have 1 more left. I don't know how to.
Okay, I can show you that I'm pretty.
I'm yellow here, I'm red here, and I'm orange here. That's so silly. Maybe I just can't I just kidding. I don't care. Now 5 by 5. I need to try to play it. But it's too impossible.
No, it's possible, of course. Okay, just one left. Just one left. Let me see. How can I
You
solve
cannot
it?
figure it out.
Yes, I can.
Just say you can do it, then you can do it.
Sometimes, of course.
Sometimes. Sometimes. Just sometimes. Oh! No, just change back
Not yet.
to.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
It's not yet.
Not yet.
Let him win. Let him win. Let him win.
Okay, almost done. Almost done.
Let
One time.
him win. Let him win.
Yay! Done.
Oh my. 1, 2, 3.
Now
But the other sides are not ready.
let's try orange first. Done. Orange. Orange like this.
Hey,
How about this one?
this is impossible to play. Of course. I know that's impossible. I think my cousin cannot play it.
Oh, too easy.
How easy are you thinking of?
This is just the start.
How impossible.
Almost. Already.
It's
Already like this. Let me solve it.
It's still impossible.
Okay, you play this first again. 1, 2, and 3. Coming up next, we'll solve this color, green.
Oh my god.
So
That's too impressive, my cousin. My cousin is too impressive for this.
no, I'm not too good. Oh,
More than why are you
I've
so
never
good?
tried this before.
You never tried, then why did you ask you know how to play it?
Because I tried. You try?
You try your best, then you can do it. You know.
Yes.
Just don't give up. It's okay.
Just follow your spirit.
Just don't give up and follow your spirit. Okay. I'm following mine.
Quick. I'm solving this. Why I can't solve?
I'm so scared.
I can't solve.
I just left one. Yeah. How to play it? And of course, see.
Okay, I have this now.
What? You still have a lot to go.
Yes, a lot of.
A lot, and a lot. Maybe this I can finish, but that's just my cousin. Put up right there. Maybe just like this. These are all my cousin just did. Oh,
Just
my
did,
gosh.
not
just
Just
did.
did.
I know. Then why are you still playing? That's so impossible. You know.
It's possible. I said it already.
Yes. Then why did you try, then you can do it.
Trying is the best way
Yes,
to solve
I know.
So why don't you try and solve this?
What? What?
I said it already. You can try, you can solve it.
I don't know how to solve it.
Oh, very good. I'm in a good mood.
I just already did the orange again.
Oh, thank you. You're great. Ah! I give up.
Don't give up, I just said.
Okay.
But you can give up. But next time you have this, still can try. You can still try
Part
next
2.
time.
Part
I
2
just
of this
made
game.
one. Because I just know this one how to play.
Oh!
Oh my gosh!
I wrote this.
Oh my gosh! How could you broken my toy? How could
How can you broke, not broke?